Then dog symptom was the last phrase, and I've left this as ignore additional keywords. Okay, that was obviously checked. You always have to check the Google search keywords because it returned a massive number of duplicates. So what it's done is returned every phrase with dog and symptom in it, and it's come back with, as you can see, with 161 phrases. We just export this last one. Click save, and the next stage then is to import all those into the dog health list, and I'll do the first one for you just to show you. Delete that, and I've taken the keywords back to the main screen where it shows just the number of keywords, no actual data. And what you want to do is just click import, go to our file, and just import them one by one. And you'll see we've now gone up to 376 phrases. So I'm going to pause the video again, and I'm going to import my complete list. I think it's going to come around to probably 3,000 or 4,000 keywords. And like I said, then we will go to the next keyword tool on the second part of this video, and I'll show you how to delete all the duplicated keywords and phrases because I know there's going to be an extensive amount of that. So I'll be back once I've done that, and we'll do the next part of the video. So I've imported all my keywords into one large list, and not a bad guess, 4,002 keywords there. So the next stage is to analyze these keywords. Just click on the Analyze Keywords button, and this is going to take some time now for Market Samurai to do these next two bits of the keyword research with this particular tool. So I'll pause the video once again, and I'll come back once it's finished analyzing the first part. And now that is done, I'm just going to check that I've got all the right columns checked. Yes, and I know that some of these are not going to have all the information because I haven't done the complete analyzation yet for most of these phrases. So I'm just going to click on Analyze Keywords, and this is the bit that's going to take some time. So I'm just going to click on Analyze Keywords here, and I will be back after that's finished. Market Samurai does allow you to do some filtering with your project, like if you wanted to set this to a minimum of 5 searches per day, or perhaps a minimum of 5 clicks per day. It doesn't allow you to group and sort phrases together, which is going to enable you to write your unique content for your project. So I prefer to use another tool, and that is called KRAPro. Now the first thing we need to do from Market Samurai is to export our data. Just go ahead and click on the export button down the bottom here, and we'll use the same folder that we used before. Just click save. Now all that has been exported to my hard drive. We'll minimize Market Samurai for the time being. Now this tool is called KRAPro, and what we need to do is create a new project, and we're going to call this Dog Health. Saved. Click OK. And if I bring this right down here so you can see what I'm doing, click Import Data. I want Market Samurai. Click on the Market Samurai button. Import the dog health analysis, and you'll see that all my phrases now from Market Samurai are now imported into KRAPro. Let me just bring this up for you, and you will be able to see 3,942 keywords and phrases. And from here then we can do an extensive amount of filtering and sorting. If we wanted to order these columns by PBR, we can just click on the PBR and click on that twice. It can order them from highest to lowest. If you want to order them by searches, just click on the searches button, and you notice a lot of these have zeros down here: 0 searches, 0 PBR, and 0 search engine traffic. So I'll show you how to get rid of those in a moment if you want to, and just delete those from our entire project. So let's just order these by searches, and the first thing we want to do is remove any duplicate phrases or keywords out of our project. So this is a great little button down here. Just click this. 3,942 phrases. Now you'll notice we still have 3,942 keyword phrases after we hit that button there. Now I've just done some checking, and all I can think of is that because on the last few projects I've done, which have been smaller niches than this dog health project, there's been numerous duplicated phrases. Now if we sort these by the keywords, these are sorted then by in alphabetical order, sorry. We can see there's no duplicated phrases down here. Allergic dogs, allergic to cats, well, we can get rid of that one. Allergies to cats, we can just get rid of that one. We don't want those in the project. As I say, we'll see that all these down here now don't contain any duplicated phrases. So we'll go back and order these by searches. And as I was saying, if you wanted to order these green filter boxes here are minimum and these blue ones are maximum. If we just enter a 5 in that box there for searches and click on the filter button down here, we now have minimum searches of 5 per day for the complete project. So that has actually temporarily deleted 800 keywords or phrases from our project. They're not deleted entirely from the project. If we just click on this red X here, you see those go back then to 3,940. Obviously I deleted those ones with cats, and you can do that with any of these columns here. If you wanted to do that with the PBR column, that is the phrase to broad match, you can do the same thing. If you wanted to type in 80% in there and filter those by a minimum of 80, just click on the filter button, and now all those are filtered to a minimum of 80%. If you just click on this, it'll show you there 100 at the top, 80 at the bottom. But I'll just cancel out this filter button here, and I'll be using that when I'm ready to complete some of the content for my project.